The Supreme Court today has given out a detailed judgment in the Upahar tragedy case where the Ansar brothers have escaped a jail term. Today, now we have our senior legal editor explaining the case for the reasons why the Supreme Court has not given out a imprisonment.
Conan, it is a very interesting judgment. It was on 19th of August, the last month, when Supreme Court said that Ansal brothers will be escaping a further jail term. However, this judgment with specific reasons have come more than a month later. In this order, the Supreme Court has not given any specific reasons why Ansal brothers should not be sent back to jail to serve a further jail term under section 304A of the IPC, in which the maximum jail term is 2 years. The Supreme Court has only cited the advanced age of the Ansal brothers. Notably, Sushil Ansal is 76 while Gopal is 67. Supreme Court feels that they are fairly aged people, so they should not be sent back to jail.
So, Utkarsh, has this been the consistent view of the Supreme Court in such cases?
Now, again, you have asked me a very interesting question. It is not very long back when the Supreme Court upheld the conviction and the jail term for former Haryana Chief Minister, Mr. O.P. Chautala. He is almost 80-year-old and he was sentenced to 10 years in jail. By a summary hearing, the Supreme Court upheld his conviction and sentenced him to jail for 10 years. Again, Sahara Chief, Mr. Subrata Roy, he has been in jail since March last year. He is 67 years old. So we cannot say that this has been the consistent view taken by the Supreme Court in all the cases.
So there have been concerns from different quarters. Now, what is the legal remedy the families have in this present case?
Now, I happen to speak to Ms. Neelam Krishnamurthy, who has been spearheading this battle on behalf of the Association for Victims of Upahar Fire Tragedy. She was categorical in saying that this is an exceptional order and she will definitely be challenging it in the Supreme Court by way of filing a review petition. The CBI also wanted additional time to argue its case. Mr. Harish Salve, the senior advocate, had approached the Supreme Court a day after the Supreme Court said that Ansal brothers need not go back to jail again. He will also be challenging this order, and the Supreme Court had then told the CBI that if you want to challenge this order, you should file a review petition. So review petition is the legal remedy left for all the aggrieved parties at this moment.
Thank you for the inputs, Utkarsh. Thanks so much for joining us.